So if you're a small business owner, you probably already set up your professional email account. And you also might already have a campaign service where you can send out mass emails to all of your customers and use the service's pretty templates and make it look great. But what about your email signature when you are sending out one-on-one emails to your vendors, to your contractors, to people you work with, people who work for you, when you are reaching out to customers or your customers are emailing you one-on-one for a specific question? What about in that scenario? Have you tried to set up an email signature in your settings? Well, you might have noticed that a lot of companies, some of your vendors, some of your contractors, they might have a very professional signature that you think looks great, but you probably are assuming that it's an additional cost. Maybe you'll have that one day when your business has grown and you have more money to spend. Well, I'm here to tell you that you don't have to wait, because you can actually get a professional email signature for free with so many different options, and you can have it set up in less than 5 minutes. So don't wait any longer. I'm going to share with you guys a couple of examples of some of these templates, and I'll make some recommendations. But from there, you guys can once again set it up in as little as 5 minutes. So you don't have to try to create your own and worry about how plain it looks or spend hours trying to make it look perfect, because you can just go ahead and use some of these professional generators for free. So let's take a look. So the first option is WiseStamp. And here you can see that I've actually already filled out all of my information. You can see that this example is a little bit more plain than the previous example I shared. And you'll notice that it says create your own email signature with a link at the bottom. That's going to be a link to WiseStamp.com. And that will be there if you're on the free option, as opposed to paying for it to be removed with the pro option. And we can install this with Gmail. Now, next we see a Hubspot, which is really cool because there are a ton of templates to choose from. So here you can see I'm on template 1, template 2. All of these templates are included on the free version. So you would, of course, pick the one that you like the most. And then from there, you can start to fill out all of your information. So you see you have a lot of fields available to you, for you to edit. So I'm going to go ahead and start to fill it out. And I'm going to continue to fill it out, and I'm going to jump ahead because I want to show you. Next, you can fill out all of your social media links, which is pretty cool. The other option didn't have that, the previous example. So now that I've filled everything out, I want to go ahead and take a look at the colors, and I'm going to add my company logo, which is really nice that you can do that. And then I don't really like the color of the social media links, so I'm going to change that. And I'm trying to find one that matches my logo. I can't remember what the exact color is, but of course you would want to make sure the color matches your branding. But since I can't find mine just for today's example, I'm just going to choose a different shade. But there you have it. So this one's pretty cool. It has a lot of it's a nice layout. And then lastly, we have my signature. So with this one here, you can see a lot of pro options, which means you have to pay for these options, but they're pretty creative. I like how they're unique compared to the other options. There's more to them, I feel like. But you can, of course, choose the free options, which with these free options, I still think that they are pretty cool. You can see that they kind of have more personality than the previous examples we looked at. So you just want to think about, you know, your brand, what type of signature you want. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And with that, I'll see you guys next time.